So in step number 7, I'm going to use my first bit of CSS here, even though there might be some stuff in it already. So if I jump in here to my styles, yeah, it's already waiting for me. We're already in the styles.css box there, so we're going to put in here. So what we want to do here, so CSS is it goes like this. So it goes to selected tag, and then we've got our curly brackets. So I often like to see it looking like this. So you can see it and you put your stuff in between. So your selected tag, so say for example, your selected tag might be your heading 1 up on top there. And so see the heading 1 up on top, and I give it a property and a value followed by a colon. So property might be something like color, and the color, let's say we'll make it red. Okay, and notice how the heading changed to red here. So just to say this again, this is always the selected tag, or the tag name if you like, the selected tag, the tag selector as we call it, tag selector. And then we come in here and so our selected tag, as I was showing you up above, was H1. And then we've got this idea of a property name, which I'm calling color, and then you give the property a value. You give the property a value. So another one I could do there now would be something like font size. Good time to use it now. So font size might be, let's say 100 pixels, which should be fairly big. Yeah, look at the size of there. It's gone really big. So what we're being asked to do in this one is we're being asked to create an asterisk selector. So this kind of selects everything in the document. So that's the selected tag there, asterisk. The property that we want to give is box sizing, and the value we want to give to the box sizing property is border box. I'll be honest, I'm not sure what's going to happen here now. I haven't done this, but let's have a look. And not too much looks to have happened so far, so we might investigate that in a moment, or submit and go to the next challenge. Oh, sorry, I accidentally clicked it on, but it's still there, and look at it, it kept it there, the selected tag, and actually moved the colon back up a line, which is fine. So we might have a look at that. I might do another video to check that out.